So hello friends, today I am going to do unboxing of this Lenovo Tab 7 Essential, which is a 3G tab. I reviewed it or I used it for a week, and then I will show you today, because I thought that before showing directly to you I will see if it is a good tab, then only I will unbox it. So I thought that it is a average tab, so I thought of unboxing it. So friends, as you can see backside there are many details given. And friends, here we get 1GB RAM, 16GB storage. It has MediaTek processor and it comes with 17.78 cm of display. And it is a portable tablet computer, means it has somewhat functions like a computer. So let's open it. So after opening, we get a box which is quite big, so it takes some time, or it is so much pack. So as you can see, this is our tablet and it is really big. So let's keep it aside for some time. Then here we get some paperwork. This is a manual and it has two another variants, which is Lenovo Tab 7304F, which is a WLAN tab or which works only on Wi-Fi, and Lenovo Tab 7304X, which is a 4G tab. Our tab is Lenovo Tab 7304L, so it is a 3G tab. Let's keep it aside. Then we get some product information book, some warranty book, one certificate. Then we get one cable, which is A to A cable, Then we get a charging adapter of 5 watts, and this cable is not enough big, but it is of good quality, and it has type A to micro USB cable, so which is okay, but it will be type C, then it would be good. So let's keep this all aside and go towards our tablet. And friends, let's boot it up. It will take a bit time. And friends, when I took this tab, there was no screen guard on it, so I applied a screen guard, but the screen guard was not of much good quality, so it got broke down. So let's take a quick review of its ports and buttons. So on the side we get our volume rocker, which is here. It is black, so you will not be able to see. This is volume rocker. This is a power on off button. This is our micro USB port. This is 3.5 mm jack, and here is our SIM tray tool. It has a support of, just a minute, I will remove it, it takes, and here it is our slot. It has micro SD card support and nano SIM card support. So friends, just a minute, let's insert it. And friends, in the front we get one camera, and here we get our speakers. After getting this tab, let's go to its settings. Let me focus on it. Then about tablet. Then it has Android 7 version, which is a Nougat version. Then it has Android patch level of 5 July. It is a type of outdated tablet, but still it works nice. Then we get a build number software version. RAM is 1GB, storage is 16GB, CPU is MediaTek, and our display is 1024 into 600 ratio. Camera both are 2 megapixel. So let's check our Android version. So as you can see, it is Android Nougat. So friends, and this tab comes around 9,200 rupees, and it is not much bad tab. But if you took a 4GB variant which supports 4G support, that tab if you take, then you get 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. So thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.